Hello everyone and welcome back. Let's unzoom this just a little bit so you guys can see. This is the gaming trio RTX 3070 Ti. Saw them today in stock at Micro Center along with the 3090, but I decided to get the 3070 for now because it was only $959 and I want to replace a 1070 Ti in the budget build. So figure let's do an unboxing video so you guys can see it. And if you guys can see on the side here, there's a 4 there. They had them numbered and they had you with sheets and they took down your driver's license number and everything, so you couldn't just come back and buy them all up, obviously. And they keep track of who's coming and going. But this is actually going to be a pretty cool card. I actually unboxed the 70 version, which you can see on my channel. This, I believe, what is it? Kind of forget how much RAM this one has. I believe this is going to be 10 gigabytes of RAM. It could be wrong. Nope, it's 8 gigabytes of RAM. And I should know that because I have the EVGA version, which you guys have seen on here. So let's see what actually comes in here. Let's go zoom out just a little bit. And this is actually a pretty... should be a very good card. Let me show you guys how it comes out in a box. Oh, wrong way. Let's go this way. And let's see if this is actually bigger than the... Oh yes, the envelope full of stuff. I forgot about that. It's actually really cool. Let's see if this is bigger than the EVGA version. Oh, right, in the bracket. Which I never figured out how to put the bracket on the other one. Okay, let's see how... Oof. You know what, these MSI versions are really big. GeForce RTX. This will go on the top slot, obviously. Wow, there it is. This is it looks exactly like the 70 that I unboxed and everything. A lot different than the EVGA one, obviously. The power supply is a little bit recessed in there. So 2 8-pin connectors. Should have at least a 750 watt power supply, and it's got 4 display ports right there. It's about like 2.5 card slots. But this is it. We are going to install it in the budget build that I did on this channel. If you click on the tech, you'll find it in the tech playlist. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Let me know what your temperatures are. Hopefully we can keep the VRAM temperatures under 90 on full load, but I doubt it. Alright guys, comment, subscribe, like, tell me what you think, and I'll see you next time.